had some requests to know of a craft that kids can do around Christmas that will be fun for everyone. So that is what we're going to do today. We are going to make cinnamon dough with cinnamon and applesauce. Secret ingredient is glue. Don't eat it. So what we will do is we're measuring a half a cup of applesauce. We're just making a half a recipe, but you can always make some more. Depends on how many things you want to make. So here's a half a cup of applesauce. Make it generous because we don't want it to be too dry. So for the cinnamon, we are going to use 3/4 of a cup. So a half a cup plus a quarter of a cup. All right, there's about a half. We can always add a little more. Now that's more cinnamon than I usually put in my applesauce. Bit strong. I think that looks good. Yeah, do the whole thing. So we need to measure another 1/4 of a cup of cinnamon to make 3/4 altogether. It's math. Yay!
It doesn't come out.
It's really annoying. I think it would come out really easily. We'll see. We might need a little more applesauce, but that's fine. We'll start to stir it around. It's like smoke. We'll start to stir it around with this, but we're gonna have to use our fingers. At least this will.
We can use our fingers.
Oh yeah, we do. This will tell us about how much. Yeah, we'll see if it's too dry.
I think we need more applesauce.
It does look like it. That's a lot of cinnamon. It makes me sneeze. A little bit more applesauce. More applesauce, like a spoonful more.
Do I have to touch it when there's glue in it?
Yeah. You can't feel the glue. The glue is really just to make it a little bit tougher in case you want to keep your ornaments or whatever you make longer. Be a little bit more likely to last through a couple seasons with the glue. All right, that looks better. Now, throw a little glue in there. You don't want to be in there anymore, do you? No, I don't. So it says about a tablespoon of glue in my recipe. That's tablespoonish.
That's a lot of glue.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you could measure it, but I don't think it really needs to be exact since it's really just a strengthening situation. Okie dokie. Stir it around. Get those fingers going.
It's so sticky.
Yeah, it's kind of gross, but kind of awesome at the same time. Yes.
It feels better now.
Yeah, at first it's a little slimy with the glue. When the glue works in.
I think it's ready.
Yeah, so you know when it's ready, when you can sort of roll it into a ball and it sticks together. Yep, looks like it sticks together. See if you can incorporate those little pieces. Then we'll move it onto some parchment paper and start rolling it out. Here, flip it over so you can suck up the dry ones at the bottom. Nice. Yeah, that looks good. Now we have prepared our work surface with a lovely sheet of parchment paper. We're gonna dump out our dough because every time I dump it out, it goes way over to the edge. That's fine. We're gonna have to touch it anyway. Slap it in the middle somewhere. Then
You said you didn't have to touch it.
now you can cover it with another piece of parchment paper.
Oh,
So the nice thing about it is that it will stop it from sticking. What I like to do is give it a little squish first, kind of spread it out because it does slide everywhere. There. So it's kind of flat. Now, I'm going to try to roll it around quarter of an inch or so.
Hold the paper for me.
Sure. Teamwork. And pause. Now, when you have it a little bit rolled out, you can peel the edge back. See? Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Can I give it a little roll this way?
No.
Can you turn it and give it a roll the other way?
Like this?
Yeah, like if you do this, you can roll it that way. Okay, so now you can peel it off. Some of the thin parts might stick, but that's not a problem.
See, it's not that thin.
No, it's pretty consistent. It's hard to get a very consistent chunk of cookie dough or and press it like that. Yep. Nice. Now, anything excess, we can always roll back into a ball and make something else. Like we might even, yeah, might be able to squish it to make that gingerbread house. Now, we're going to try to peel these off and put them on a little drying rack or cooling rack. That is what we will use inside the oven so they can dry from the bottom and from the top.
I'll try this one.
Forgot. If you want to hang them, you can take a little straw. Leave a little space on the edges so that it's strong enough to hold itself up. And then just pop a little hole in
Poke a
it.
hole in the rest of them?
Yeah, we can take them off and poke a little hole and stick them back on. Depending on the ages of your helpers, you might want something a little bit more simple for them to help you decorate with. In fact, the first year that we did these ornaments, we just left them like this and hung them straight on the tree. I really like how this one turned out. You could probably even sharpen the crayon right above the ornament. It might be a little less messy that way. This one is really cute, but also a little bit messy. So maybe keep wipes or something on hand to clean off those little fingers so that your whole house is not decoupaged. They don't exactly fit together perfectly, but that's okay. Snow to the rescue. Fun! There's never a bad time for beads.